Hello, it's me, Caitlin again. Yep, I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Yes, we specialized in the common rail injector. Today, I want to share with you about our product. This is our control valve. Okay, follow me. Let's check it. The VCI anti-rust bag. Yep, this bag. And also with the label on it, you can see this is Shumatt logo. If you are printing with the own logo, contact us, okay? And we can customize the logo, the label, and the packaging bag, and so on, okay? This part is a product code. Product code is the F00VC01045, okay? Below the product code, it's application inject model body model numbers. It's 0445 110095 and 0445 110096. 0445 110099 and 0445 110103 and 0445 110104. On this part, as you can see, this is our QR code. Okay, and other information on the label. Also, okay, it's time to open it to see the inside. The inside part is like this one. We package it with the transparent bottles, right? And you can open it like this way. You can span it. Wow, it come out. And then you will see our oil paper. Dun, dun, dun. This is the inside part. Okay, as you can see, we not only selling the whole side, but also we selling separate part. The separate part is like this one. It's the valve cap. For our valve cap, it has a coating with the curved letters. Yes, more details about it. Look at you can look at it clearly. This is a valve roll. For our valve roll, we have different lengths, we have different sizes. If you want other sizes, you can contact us. Okay? Yes, because we apply the customized services. Okay, that's all. Yes, about the warranty, 6 months warranty, 3 tips for you. 1, clean and use oil. 2, make sure the valve cap in the right position. 3, make the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. Yes. If you're interested about my videos, please make comments, let me know about it, okay? And you can make comments at the Facebook or YouTube account. Also, we have WhatsApp and phone. Contact us, okay? Waiting for your news. Yes, that's all about today's introduction. The time is so fast. It's time for us to say goodbye to each other. I hope we can see each other at the next channel. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.